Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we're going to be doing something quite unique. I'm not entirely sure what this system contains, but yeah, it's a special system sent in by Mad Planet Guy. I don't know what is in it. The only thing I know about it is the name of it, and it's called an alternate universe with unique physics. That's the only thing I know about this system. He didn't want it to be part of the main subscribers system series, so this is like just a separate one-off video of this unique system. We're all the way in update 22.3 here as well, yeah, as requested. So yeah, we've got his special system right here. So an alternate universe of unique physics. Though, let's go ahead and find out what this is. I literally have no clue. So let's see what we've got here. Whoa, okay. This seems pretty crazy. There is nothing here to explore. That is because you need to create what will be here. All I have put here is Earth and a star. The rest is you to experiment with. All I can say is try to explore every aspect and every type of object in the game. Okay, so this seems rather interesting. So unique physics. I mean, that background. What is going on with this background? I mean, that is very crazy. I have no idea what we've got going on here. So there's nothing to explore. This is because you need to create what will be here. We've got a very crazy named star there. I'm guessing that's Chinese or something there, maybe Korean or something there. But yeah, look at that. It's pretty crazy. So what, we have to make a system around this guy? So let's see the stats of this. This is very weird. So can I open the... There we go. So, luminosity of this guy. Oh, that's such a long name. Right, so it's not very powerful whatsoever. We can put the discs on. So there we go. And then this Earth over here. So what is actually going on over here? So, right, here we go. So what is exactly going on? If we click play, so what's actually going on at this Earth? So its temperature's at 20 degrees, but it seems to be smoking up. So what have we got going on here? That's very strange. Yeah, I have got no idea what we have got going on here. I mean... Yeah, this is very unexpected. I was thinking it'll be like some experiment in this version of the game or something when I saw the title of this simulation, but this just seems very out of the ordinary. So, okay, so I'm actually going to see with this Earth, I'm going to put a new Earth in. I'm just going to see if that does the same thing. So if I place an Earth here, how is that going to work? Put orbits on. Can I put orbits? Oh, orbits don't show. Interesting. So this has got 91 Jupiters, so it should easily be able to hold that new Earth. So... this Earth over here seems to be smoking up as well. I have got no explanation whatsoever as to why that Earth is smoking up. I don't get it. I mean, this star seems to be going absolutely crazy here. It's not that powerful, though. And this Earth should have enough mass to not be, like, losing material and smoking up like that. So, you've got me befounded. I don't know. I don't know what is going on in here. This seems to be crazy. What if I try a gas giant? So he said experiment with any type. So if I just open it up again. He's got his cool little picture on there as well. But yeah, here we go. So all I put here is Earth and a star. The rest is you to experiment with. Explore every aspect and every type of object in the game. So I'm going to try all the modded objects, stuff like that. So what if I try a gasser object? So let's just search that up. Oh, I don't even have any in here. Ah, this version of the game. Little weird, but it doesn't even look like I've got any of the gasser objects saved, unfortunately. So what do I have to work with here? So could try another star. Got the old green star glitched object. That could be interesting to see. So what if I just try a random gas giant? So if I go with the good old should we use the German flag one or the rainbow one? I mean, I'm not sure. Let's just go with the German flag one. No, I don't want to delete it. Let's just go with this one. We don't really use this much. So I'm just going to try a gas giant. So if I put that in here, does the gas giant lose material like the planet does? So here we go. You can see the star. It seems to be very luminous. It's making the planet very reflective and shiny. That's not normally happens. So this is a mystery. I am very. So this is smoking up as well. It did for a brief second, and now this one's gone to minus 270. Meanwhile, this Earth is at 20 degrees. This is very strange. So if I change, the albedo does nothing. Let's try it on Earth. Albedo, will that do it? So if I turn off climate mode. Okay, so the climate mode on Earth seemed to have been stopping it from doing something. So now the Earth is getting ultra hot here. So the climate mode was sort of saving Earth. So what if I let it play for a bit? I'm just trying to see, does the Earth move? If I just move the camera here. So I'm moving the camera. Yeah, the Earth doesn't appear. Is it position locked? No, motion. Position lock. No, position on, off. Okay, so it doesn't appear to be moving, and it's not position lock, so speed. 1. Okay, interesting. So this seems to be something completely bugged out. I'm guessing in the old version here, because it seems to be a little interesting why he wanted me to go to 22, which is, I haven't been in update 22 in a long, long time. But that's very interesting. We can't add any speed. It's not position locked, but it still stays stationary. That is very, very mysterious. And I'm guessing it's the same with all of the objects in here as well. So I'm guessing that's why this gas tank wasn't moving. So he did say experiment. So what if we try blowing up the star? Does anything happen if we do that? Or moving the star? So, okay, the star moves fine. So it is only one object. There's no hidden objects inside it. But it looks like we can check in here. Yep, there's literally nothing in here. Very strange indeed. What if I blow the star up? I want to see if anything happens. So obviously we'll get a nova explode. So if I just do that. So that's done that. Okay. Does the Earth start moving? Oh, disintegrated the Earth. Okay. Oh, disintegrated everything. Ah. Well, on the German flag one here. So how's that doing? So that object, anything going on here? No, just minus 270. So yeah, I'm befounded. I have got no idea what exactly is going on here. And then the background as well, it seems to be constellations, I'm guessing, are marked out by the looks of it there with all the lines. The background of the galaxy appears to be very old as well. Like, I mean, what the background? Okay, so the background can be changed. And this is using the current background of the game, because there was an older version of the Milky Way background. So this is still in the same background we know today. This is very strange. This is very, very mysterious. So yeah, an alternate, I mean, it is, I guess it's in the name, an alternate universe with unique physics. I'm guessing the unique physics are, these objects are or stationary, even though they're not position locked. I'm guessing that's the sort of the unique physics, and also this object seems to be smoking up for some reason. I am very, very confused. I want to try, what if we try shooting something at the Earth? What if we try using, so, launch, if I use the launch button here. What if I launch a Mercury at the Earth? Will the Mercury even move? Now that's weird. So the Mercury, I'm clicking the launch button. We do have, if we put launch velocity, put it to 10. Okay, so it has got, so will it move? Is that moving? No. Really? Oh, no, it is moving. Oh, we've got something to move. It's actually moving. We'll go to 100. So, and I shoot Mercury right there. There we go. Oh, we have got an object moving. It seems the launch button can get through this system. Now, that's weird. It bounced off. Is this Earth indestructible? What if we shoot an Earth at an Earth? Surely, if they're both the same object. Oh, we did create an explosion there. There we go. Okay, so we've made progress. We've actually got it to... that was very weird, the Mercury just bouncing off the side of Earth there. And we've got this other Earth. God knows what's going on over here. I mean, what is this? Like, that is very strange. This other Mercury, I want to see if this bounces off it. So we'll just speed up time a bit. And that's not even going to... Oh, we actually got the original Earth moving, though. So you can get objects moving if you collide them with something. Okay, so there we go. We're making progress. We've actually changed the physics in here, I'm guessing. I mean, would you even describe that? I don't know. I mean, we got the planet moving, though. So that sort of broke the frozen lock that the planet's in. So we found a way to get the planets moving. I'm going to go to a fresh simulation again, though. But I want to see that Mercury bounce off the Earth again. That was so strange. So, there we go. So, yeah, click on the Earth. That is not moving. It's only rotating. So, launch. Right, so at 10 kilometers again. Right. And I want to shoot a Mercury at the Earth, and I want to see it bounce off. So, here we go. Is it going to bounce off? Oh, now that is very strange, the way the collision worked there. What if we try more? Oh, we can hear some of the explosion sounds. You don't hear those too often. They just appear randomly. Well, this is some crazy, like... that one bounced off there. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so strange. So another one that bounced off. What if we tried Mars, a slightly larger object? Mars bounces off as well. So there we go. The lighting in this system is still unexplained. So Mars bounced off. What if we tried Venus? Oh, looks like Venus did something. The Venus blew up on it. And then we did the Earth, and I think the Earth did the same as what Venus did. Yeah, blew up. Interesting. If I just throw a Jupiter on it. Oh, the Jupiter went, go a little further out. No, a little further out again. There we go. So that's on the collision course with the Earth. So I'm guessing it should completely destroy this Earth, which somehow deflected a Mercury and a Mars. Seems to be made some pretty hard materials if it can just bounce a slightly smaller object off. So let's see what happens when Jupiter collides with this strange Earth. So let's roll it. Let's speed it up. So here we go. But this is very, very strange. So, okay. It bounced off Jupiter this time. Interesting. So Jupiter, as the more dominant object with more mass, it actually made the Earth bounce off rather than Jupiter bouncing off Earth like all the other objects bounced off Earth. So what if we try let's try a Neptune, so something that's not as big as Jupiter, less in mass. Will the Neptune bounce off or not? And yeah, the lighting in this system is still not explained. Why is it so bright? It's like there's loads of stars near, even though there's only one. So will Neptune bounce off? Yes, it does. Okay, so it seems to be the higher mass you have, the more chance you have of something bouncing off with this. I don't know if that's unique to this simulation or if it does it in this version of the game. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to head to a brand new simulation. Okay, so there shouldn't be any glitches in here. Now we're going to try that exact experiment again. So we've got Earth, and then we had Mercury, an object we knew bounced off multiple times. So we'll put it to 10 kilometers, same, absolutely the same sort of setup. Right, there we go. So I'm launching Mercury at Earth. And that bounced, or that didn't bounce, sorry, that completely smashed into it. So if we try a Mars, same sort of thing, yeah, Mars as well. And I'm guessing Venus as well, that's just going to collide, yeah. So that just made a new Venus there. So they both collided like they normally would in any version of the game. And now I'm guessing as soon as we put, oh, it dissolved. The temperature got too hot. Well, yeah, even then, the game still did what I expected it to do, where the objects would just collide. But yeah, the fact that the Earth deflected an Earth and a Venus and a Mercury and a Mars, like that is very mysterious. So what if I put a Jupiter? So if we launch a Jupiter at Earth, I'm guessing it will just engulf the Earth. I'm guessing it won't bounce off. It's pulling the Earth towards it. Yeah, and absolutely nothing happens. Very, very mysterious indeed. So let's go back into this unique physics simulation. So now we've experimented with the planet. I want to experiment with the star. So I want to see, does the star deflect objects as well? So yeah, launch velocity 10, okay. So I'm going to shoot a Mercury, like we did with the Earth. We're going to shoot a Mercury into that star. So there we go. Let's see if this Mercury bounces off or just crashes into the star. So here we go. So it's gone in and it just, okay, it collided with it. So it just got engulfed. So just shoot a couple of Mercuries just to make sure that wasn't a fluke. We'll shoot some Venuses. We're increasing the star temperature as well by doing this. Venuses, Mars. Okay, so it seems like the star just engulfs everything. Oh, no, never mind. Did we just... Yes! Okay, so the star... Okay, it got rid of some of them, but the other ones, so it deflected a Venus and 3 Marses there. Very, very interesting indeed. I kind of want to put this through a translator as well, all of these. Can I copy any of this? I'm gonna see if I can translate this. I want to see if it comes out as anything, you know, just to see there. But yeah, while I'm just getting the translator open, very mysterious indeed. I'm gonna delete the star as well. Now I'm gonna go back to that original Earth. I want to see if the lighting in this simulation is still buggy, or if the lighting just resets to normal. Okay, so yeah, that lighting now does look pretty normal. I'm deleting the particles, but the Earth is still releasing particles. That is very, very weird. If I remove the water. So removing the water gets rid of any of the weird particles. But yeah, now the lighting looks completely normal. So it's very, very weird how that star is making it look so bright. Because normally, if I wanted to get luminosity on a planet like that, or really, really bright, I'd place just a bunch of suns like that. And then if I go back to the Earth, you can see, yeah, it'd be just ultra, ultra bright here. I mean, I may have overdone it there, but if we just maybe delete 1 or 2 of those. No, still a little too much, but I'm just trying to curate the sort of what we saw before I deleted the star. So obviously the Earth was very, very bright and reflective. Still a little too much there, so I just delete this. There we go. Okay, so that was... Okay, oh, that was all of them. Okay. So if I just try 2 suns. So like that. Okay, so go. So that's probably the closest I can get to what it was like before. So... If we go back to the Earth again. So yeah, even then, it still looks slightly different to what it was when we had 2 suns. I'm guessing it's more yellow here. I'm guessing that's because the star is a more reddish star than a yellowish star. But yeah, that's the closest we can get. So this sort of star is acting, or it's acting like the brightness of it seems to be making the Earth extra bright than one star normally would. Very, very strange. So... Yeah, we've tried gas giants, which also... So I'm guessing... Yeah, I'm actually going to try gas giant again. So I'm going to use Uranus here. The regular Uranus. I'm just going to place that in. Now, we know Uranus contains water. So we've got... Yeah, it's got a decent amount of water here. And as we saw from rocky planets, the water did smoke up. Well, the Uranus actually looks really good, like the colour-wise in here. That pale sort of greenish blue, that actually looks really cool like that. But if we click play, is it going to smoke up? It has water on it, so I'm guessing it should. No. Okay, so the Uranus, no. Even though it contains water, it's sitting there stationary. Well, if I remove the gas, it just freezes up. Right, interesting. 0 to 0 degrees. Okay, so nothing happens. Very strange indeed. So it sort of like locks the temperature or water. So if I try a custom planet. So where's good old Pascale? Let's see if I can spawn that in. So here we go. So if I spawn Pascale in here, right? Does this smoke up? It has water on it. Oh, it looks like it has. Yeah, it has. Whoa, look how crazy it looks in here. Its atmosphere's disappeared. It looks very weird in here with that starlight. But one thing I am going to try, I'm going to try changing the colour of the star. So if I put it to 7,000, like that, it still appears red here. Okay, it still appears red, but that is normal for the game to do that. So if I'm going to save this and reopen it. So I'm just going to call it just a random number. Right, there we go. So 1, 2, right, so now if I open the simulation, just go 1, 2, I'm going to come in here again. I want to see if the star colour changes. So, yes, it has. I want to say it's slightly more white in colour now, the reflection of this planet. So, yeah, okay, you can change that. Damn, this is so weird, this simulation. I'm not really too sure what else to try, honestly. I mean, this is some really, really weird stuff. So, there we go. But, yeah, the star, again, I want to see what happens if I collide it with another star. So, let's use Proxima. I'm going to shoot it there. Okay, so that's pretty much, oh, it's bigger. Proxima is bigger than this star as well. Okay, so there's Proxima there. So, yeah, I'm actually going to delete that. I need to zoom out further. So, there we go, Proxima. So, I should be able to shoot it right there. I turn off that, pull it back to 10. Right, there we go. So, shoot it. Okay, so, because that is on a direct collision course with the other star. It seems to be... Now, one thing I've noticed as well. Proxima, which is a fresh star here. We haven't modded it in any way. It's just a fresh out of the menu here. This star seems to be emitting a lot of the solar flares. Now, normally in a simulation, Proxima wouldn't be releasing that many, if I remember correctly. So I will try and clarify that. But here we go. So let's speed it up. Okay, so yeah, the star is moving. So here we go. Let's just see what happens if these collide. I'm guessing a nova, right? You'd think a nova. Okay, so we get a nova, right? Okay, that's fairly normal there. But I'm going to go back to another simulation again. Now, here we go. So I'm just going to place Proxima in here like that. Now, as we can see straight away, it is releasing way, way, way less. Or it's not releasing any of the solar flare stuff at the moment. So you can see it does do it occasionally. But if we speed it up, even at high speed, it is releasing nowhere near the same amount it was in that other simulation. So this other simulation has got some really weird characteristics. Like if we go in here, so this was playing at 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. And yeah, in that other simulation, we were going even faster than that. And we were nowhere near getting this much solar flares and stuff. So I'm guessing it'll work with all stars. I'm guessing all stars will do this. That's but serious. So is that going to release a lot of... you can see it's got quite a lot going on there. What about the sun itself? There's the sun. So you can see, yeah, those guys seem to be releasing a lot of... You can see they're not as many as the red dwarfs here, but they still seem to be releasing a fairly decent amount of their solar flare stuff. So... yeah, this is very strange indeed. But yeah, while that's, I mean, we can just take a moment to observe how cool that looks. I have never seen Universe Sandbox generate this many of these solar flares at once. I mean, let's just take a moment to enjoy that. I mean, look how cool that looks. I mean, that just looks so freaking cool. Like, look at that. Wow. That is awesome. But yeah, while we're doing that, I'm just going to get the translate up. I want to see if that text translates to anything. So... okay, so detect language, right, there we go. So I'm going to try copying this. I'm hoping the game lets me copy. Well, I may save this object and then get it from the file name, actually, if I can't. So can I paste that in? I can. Okay, I can paste it. Right, I'm going to put that in detect language. I'm going to see if it comes up with anything. So it's translating right now. And it's saying something, yeah. Okay, so it's just saying, yeah, H-E-L-L. It's just saying hell. So, yeah. Pretty interesting though. So yeah, this is just the same word repeated over and over and over again. So interesting. I mean, it's just a name after all. That doesn't really mean too much. But maybe it means, or maybe it's just a representation of what the system is. I mean, this seems to be very, very strange with the way this is working. But yeah, I definitely think, I definitely wanted to find out what that translation meant. So what language was it? Was it Chinese? No, it was Japanese. Okay. So I was thinking it had to be Chinese, Japanese, or Korean or something. So, okay, so it's Japanese. All right. And yeah, it just says the same word. So how many times does it say it? I mean, okay, it says it around 50, 60 times by the looks of it there. But yeah, interesting stuff. But I'm just thinking of what else I could try. So we put gas giants in. I'm just thinking, we've done gas giants. We've done rocky planets. I mean, is there anything else we can really try? I mean, I've tried colliding things. I'm just thinking if there's anything else we can do. That is weird. And on, yeah, this object as well, back over to the Earth here, it's still smoking up. But I don't know why. It's stuck at 15 degrees. And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and see if I can colonize and try and get something working with water around here. I want to see if it's possible to get any water on a planet without it smoking up. So first of all, I'm going to make the mass bigger. 12. No, it doesn't work at 12. Usually 12, you'd easily be able to have water on it. 56 Earths. Nope. What if I drag this Earth further away from the star? So if I put it a lot further out. Is it going to smoke up over here? Yes, it is. Okay, interesting. Still smoking up like absolutely crazy here. So let's just go ahead and delete all of those. So there we go. So how far away are we now? So we're there. Where are? Oh, it's weird looking in this old version of the game. Where is the orbital motion? Where's the orbital? Oh no. Okay. There's no orbital stats, I don't think, because it's not orbiting anything. Parent. Yeah, so the system hasn't even registered that there's a system parent in here. So right now this is just sitting in a simulation. It's not even acknowledging the star's presence. And I'm guessing the star doesn't acknowledge simulation origin. There's no orbit settings. That's weird. There's no... So yeah, if we go to orbit, right. There's no... It doesn't show up with a ring around the star. It's not registering there's a... It's not registering an orbit to show up. It's just thinking the object is still. That's really weird. So I'm guessing no matter... With that said, I'm guessing no matter how far away we put an Earth, I'm guessing it's still going to smoke up. I think the simulation in general is just so strange. That, okay, so this Earth is very, very far away. We can't even see the star. So, and yeah, and even then, it's still smoking up. So I'm guessing there's some sort of weird thing in this system where no matter where you are, if there's water and a planet, the water will just smoke up and lose material. Why is this losing material? That is a mystery. I'd love to hear how this works, Mad Planet Guy, if you're watching. But yeah, massive thanks to him for sending this in as well, because this is truly mysterious. This is out of this world, I guess. Like nothing we have ever seen before in this game. Like in Universe Sandbox, we've seen a lot of glitches on our time on these videos and my time making these videos. I've seen a lot of glitches come and go, but I have never seen anything to this level of strange in Universe Sandbox. I mean, just the way the planets are smoking up, the orbits, the way that we had Mercury literally bounce off of Earth here. So let's just do it again. So here we go. Let's just watch this in action. So here we go. Let's just speed it up. Come on, where's our Mercury? Come on. I want to see that bounce off again. That is crazy. Oh, the Mercury's not... And then there we go. We need to reset it. So put it back to 10. Okay, there we go. But yeah, it is truly strange how the Mercury bounced off the Earth earlier. So let's see if it does it again. No, that one got blown up. But yeah, let's actually... Maybe it's because I made this Earth extra big. So we just reopen the simulation again. So we've got a fresh one to work with. Right, here we go. Now, I'll do it once more. Right, so yeah, we want launch, but at least we actually got an object to move in this simulation, so the launch button does work still. So I'm guessing that's the only way to get objects to work, but they still don't register each other's presence. Maybe that's why the Earth just bounces off the Mercury bounces off the Earth, because it's not registering the Earth is there, like the Earth didn't register that star is there. So that's really weird. Oh, that didn't even go the correct way. What's going on there? Come on, Mercury, hit the Earth. Come on. You're gonna move. There you go. Get going. There you are. It's taking quite a while. Maybe I should have sped it up. Here we go. So let's see what happens here. Is it going to bounce off? Yeah, it did. Look at that. See, that doesn't happen normally. Why is it doing that? That's so strange. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I've seen like collisions and stuff where like it deletes both objects when they collide, but I've never seen an object literally bounce off. I've seen objects go through objects before and just continue where they're going, but I've never seen an object actually bounce off the side of another one and then change its course completely. That is beyond mysterious. I have got no idea. So look at that. That is really strange. And I'm guessing, yeah, this doesn't register any orbital parent or anything. Let's see here. Simulation origin. There's no orbital parent. That is truly a mystery. But yeah, I think I'll end this video off here, guys. So, I mean, we can always come back to this simulation another time. If you guys got anything I should try in this simulation that I haven't done, or maybe anything I didn't think of, let me know down below in the comments if there's anything else I can try which you think would cause any weird scenarios. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments. But again, a massive thank you to Mad Planet Guy for sending in this truly mysterious system. This is very, very strange. And then, yeah, like I said, it's an update 22.2 here, or 22.3 here. So quite an old update. Definitely I reckon it's probably over a year old now, this update. I'm not sure. But yeah, still an update from quite a while back. But yeah, this is very, very strange. And yeah, guys, a massive thank you for watching today's video as well. And yeah, if you liked it, let's see if we can go for 40 likes on today's video. And yeah, if you've got any feedback or any tips I could try in this simulation once more, let me know down below in the comments, because I'll be very interested to hear what you guys have to think on this, because this is strange. We've never seen anything like this before, ever. So yeah, I'd be very interested to hear your thoughts on this one. Yeah, with that out of the way, guys, make sure you guys all have a great day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.